So hello guys, welcome back to our channel GM Skins. Today's recipe is a very delicious recipe. It's kiwi mousse. So let's get into the video. Before that, if you're watching my channel for the first time, do like, share, subscribe and comment below how was your experience. So now let's get into the video. I've taken a couple of kiwis and one I'm going to chop it into pieces and another one I'm going to grind it in a mixie jar. So let's take the pulp and put it in the mixie jar. This mousse will be really very delicious. Do try this recipe, okay? So I have ground and taken. So into a designer cup I am adding the pulp. For decoration I am keeping kiwi fruits. So now let's beat whipping cream. Let's keep the kiwi fruit in the fridge for 20 minutes. So let's beat the whipping cream till fluff. Should not fall when it is uprighted. So now let's add the pulp. A teaspoon of pulp is enough. To this let's add green tea powder. So now let's mix it. So now let's add whipping cream into the jar, chilled jar, with the help of a piping bag. Let's add chopped kiwis onto the bowl cup. So I'm going to decorate the plate using a fork and dust the tea powder, and when taken it will form a beautiful image. So let's now taste it. The smell is awesome. So now let's taste it. So I think it's too healthy and it's very nice, amazing, marvelous. I can tell throughout the day, I think. So yes. So yeah, we came to the end of the video. If you like this video, do like, share, subscribe. Subscribe and comment below how was your experience. So thank you for watching. Tada, bye bye.